Now let's begin this exercise and express the percentages below as decimals. Are you in?
Oh yes, I am. Let's do it.
Express as a decimal. To express percentage as a decimal, we divide the number by 100. Express 15% as a decimal. To express 15% as a decimal, we divide 15 by 100. Then we convert this to a decimal by writing the numerator as 15. Since the denominator is 100, we place the decimal point 2 places towards the left. This is equal to 0.15. So 15% equals 0.15.
Amazing!
Express 45% as a decimal.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 107 videos totaling 10 hours and 41 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 5 Math.